Okay, so in last video, we understood all the folder structure which we have created in Nextjs. And in this video, we are going to create some of the pages and let's just try to understand how does Nextjs actually works. And I want to create another page called as about and we can travel to that particular page by typing about here. And at the moment it's telling this page could not be found because this page is not present in the project. So let's just go to pages folder, and in the pages folder right click a new file, we'll name it as about.js. And once we write this particular file, we need to create one component in this particular folder, and creating component is very easy in Nextjs. We just type export default and function name, that is about, and whatever you written in this particular file is a component. Let's just return div with h1 which says about page, and if you save it, then done, you are able to see it in the website that about page is ready. And same way, let's just create another page. Copy pasting is also one of the lesson which you have to learn. You just have to right click and copy and just go to pages and paste it here. Once you paste it will type about copy, but we need to create it as contact page, so we'll just type contact, and instead of about here we have to change it to contact, and here also we have to change it as contact page. And once those changes are ready, we can also go to contact and it will open a contact page for us. And traveling using this particular slash about slash contact might be tough, so that's the good thing about Nextjs. We don't have to travel like that. We can create something called as component, and component is same as this particular file, but we can embed it in some other page. That is, we can embed some kind of header and footer in this particular page, and we can make sure all the pages will get that particular file. So let's just go and create one folder here. We'll name it as components, and in this particular file let's just create a header.js, and in header folder again same, we have to create one component here, export default function, and we'll name this particular function as a header. Of course, whatever the name you have given here, that's the best practice to give it here also. And we can return here, let's just return one div with this header, and importing it in another page is very easy to do. We'll go to index.js and we can just type like this. Just see like how I am writing in the code. Just type header and it will show in the suggestion saying header. Okay, just click enter and it will automatically import. And make sure you close this particular tag and just try to understand here. This is something called as auto import. It might work directly or it might not work directly sometimes. If it is not working, just make sure you type this particular thing and you import it in this particular line, meaning just type import header from dot dot slash component slash header. If it is working directly and if it is importing it, then done, like no problem. But if it is not importing, just type it out. And if I just save it, it will type header. And once header is ready, just make sure in this particular page also it comes. Just type header again and done. But the thing is here, we have to go to again and again to same page in order to create this particular thing. That's actually not good idea in programming. So in next video, I'm going to teach you how you can set up layout using Nextjs so that you don't have to again and again copy paste it. Now I have copy pasted it, but imagine having one 10-20 folders, and I mean 10-20 files, and in every file you have to go and you have to create. See, in contact about page I didn't create, in contact page I have done, but imagine having 10-20 pages and every page you have to go and you have to add this particular line. That's not a good idea. So in next video we'll set up layouting using Nextjs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.